Wait. All right, so in this video we're going to talk about taking apart your sponge filter and cleaning it. I normally do this about every other month. Does not need to be done every week or every month, just every other month. First thing you're going to do is take it out of the water, take the top off, take the hose out. The hose will be slimy and gunky. Paper towels. Get your paper towel wet, doesn't matter if it's tank water or if it's sink water, and just wipe the gunk off of that because it'll be really slimy. That way you don't put it back in the tank. Nasty. Hard toothbrush is your friend. So you want to scrape the outside of this, and if the toothbrush's head is small enough, you can get inside to scrape too, because it'll get algae growth on these. So that'll help with that. This will help with this. Taking this apart, it's simple. Top comes off. Sponge comes out. Now this one, that pops off. This comes off. Comes up completely apart. Use your toothbrush. You can do this in your regular sink. You don't have to use tank water, siphoned tank water, not in your tank, to clean this. Inside here is little grooves. They will get gunk formed inside, so you can use your toothbrush to push the gunk out and scrape it really good to get it out before you put it all back together. Your sponge, you can also use this to scrape because it'll help get all the nasty poop and stuff off of it a little bit easier. And then you continually squeeze it in water that's been siphoned from your tank, not inside your tank, of course, until it comes as clean as you can get it. Then you want to just simply put it back together. Everything goes right back the way it came. Pop that back on. Pop that back on. Put your sponge back on it. Put your top back on. Make sure it snaps good and it's completely on. And then take your hose, run this through. Inside, put your hose back on, make sure it's secure so it doesn't pop off in the middle of the night and you just have bubbles instead of your filter. It's happened. And then put that back on, make sure it's kind of straight, and then you're all set to go.